Yeah. That was a good workout.
Dying. Dying. I needed that sweat. I needed that.
Same. After months of being in the house for quarantine and not going out and doing any exercise.
Facts.
Yeah, that was definitely
Gotta get
needed.
rid of all this extra weight.
Sure.
You know?
Same. So what are you doing for the rest of the 4th of July?
Hey. Nothing much, man. Probably go home, cook some dinner, eat a few desserts, watch some movies with the kids, you know.
Okay.
What you got planned?
Well, I was planning to go to the beach, but since they closed the beach and they're not doing any fireworks displays at the beach, I was like, you know what? Let me check out the fireworks show in my own neighborhood.
Oh, those can get kind of crazy. Like, really crazy.
It's a fireworks display. How crazy can it be? Delta Charlie, Foxtrot, requesting immediate air support. I'm under heavy fire. The fireworks have been going off since 8 p.m. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. I don't think they're gonna let out. I'm down to my last rations. Please, send help. If I don't make it, tell my wife I love her. When will it stop? What's up, IG Live? I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it till the morning. But I had to make sure that I had time to... What's up, y'all? It's Steve. It's your boy, Steve. Would have been the simple fireworks like sparklers. Wait, what?